Queenstown, nestled amidst the dramatic mountain ranges of New Zealand's South Island, is a resort town renowned for its adventure activities, stunning scenery, and vibrant atmosphere. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping thrills, peaceful nature walks, or indulgent culinary experiences, Queenstown has something to offer everyone. Here are some of the highlights that make Queenstown a must-visit destination. Bungee jumping. Take the plunge off the Kawarau Bridge, the world's first commercial bungee jump site, or experience the Nevis Swing, the highest swing in New Zealand. Skydiving. Soar through the air and witness breathtaking views of Lake Wakatipu and the surrounding mountains. Jet boating. Embark on a thrilling jet boat ride on the Shotover or Dart River, navigating through canyons and experiencing exhilarating spins and twists. Whitewater rafting. Tackle the rapids of the Kawarau River or Shotover River, enjoying an adrenaline-filled adventure amidst stunning scenery. Scenic gondola ride. Take the Skyline gondola to Bob's Peak for panoramic views of the town, Remarkable's mountain range, and Lake Wakatipu. Milford Sound cruise. Witness the majestic beauty of Milford Sound, a fjord known for its towering waterfalls, lush rainforests, and diverse wildlife. Wine tasting. Explore the Gibbston Valley wine region, sampling award-winning Pinot Noir and other locally produced wines. Relaxing at onsen hot pools. Soak in the geothermal waters of the onsen hot pools, surrounded by mountains and enjoying stunning views. Waterfront dining. Enjoy fresh seafood and stunning lake views at one of the many waterfront restaurants. International cuisine. Queenstown offers a diverse range of cuisines, from Italian and Mexican to Japanese and Indian. Ferg Burger. Savor a legendary Ferg Burger, a Queenstown institution known for its mouth-watering creations. Craft beer scene. Sample locally brewed craft beers at one of Queenstown's many breweries or pubs. Queenstown Winter Festival, held in June and July. This vibrant festival features a variety of events, including snow sports, live music, and fireworks. Challenge yourself. Whether it's skydiving, whitewater rafting, or bungee jumping, Queenstown offers numerous opportunities to push your limits and create unforgettable memories. Explore the region. Take a day trip to Glenorchy, Arrowtown, or Wanaka to discover charming towns, scenic drives, and unique experiences. Queenstown Bay Beach, also known as the Earnshaw Park Beach, is the main beach and focal point of downtown Queenstown, New Zealand. This scenic beach offers stunning views of Lake Wakatipu and the Remarkable's mountain range, making it a popular spot for swimming, sunbathing, and relaxing. Swimming. The calm waters of Lake Wakatipu are perfect for swimming, especially during the summer months. Sunbathing. Relax on the sandy beach and soak up the sun while enjoying the beautiful scenery. Walking. Enjoy a leisurely walk along the beach or take a longer stroll to reach the Queenstown Gardens. Skipping stones. The smooth, flat stones on the beach are perfect for skipping across the water. People watching. Observe the diverse range of people enjoying the beach, from locals to tourists from all over the world. Queenstown Bay Beach is also a great starting point for exploring other parts of Queenstown. You can easily walk to the town center, which is home to a variety of shops, restaurants, and bars. Coronet Peak, towering above Queenstown, New Zealand, offers an exhilarating blend of winter and summer activities, stunning scenery, and a vibrant après-ski scene. Whether you're a seasoned skier, a curious first-timer, or simply seeking breathtaking views, Coronet Peak promises an unforgettable experience. Skiing and snowboarding. Explore over 400 hectares of diverse terrain, catering to all levels of skiers and snowboarders. From gentle slopes for beginners to challenging black runs for experts, Coronet Peak has something for everyone. Night skiing. Experience the unique thrill of skiing under the stars with extended hours until 9 p.m. on selected nights. Snow activities beyond skiing. Enjoy snow tubing, snowshoeing, or scenic gondola rides for breathtaking panoramas. Mountain biking. Conquer single-track trails spanning over 1,200 meters, offering adrenaline-pumping descents and scenic views. Hiking and walking. Explore nature trails amidst alpine meadows and breathtaking scenery, suitable for all fitness levels. Sure, Jetstar offers flights to Queenstown, New Zealand from a number of Australian cities, including Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, Adelaide, and the Gold Coast. Flights typically take around 3 hours and 20 minutes. However, it is important to be aware of all the fees associated with your flight, such as baggage fees, seat selection fees, and credit card fees. Luggage. Jetstar has a strict baggage allowance, so be sure to pack light or pay for extra baggage. Food and drinks. Jetstar does not offer any complimentary food or drinks on board, so you will need to purchase them if you want them. Entertainment. Jetstar does not offer any in-flight entertainment, so you will need to bring your own. Overall, Jetstar is a good option for budget-conscious travelers who are looking for a cheap flight to Queenstown. Here are some additional tips for booking your Jetstar flight to Queenstown. Book your flight in advance, especially if you are traveling during peak season. Sign up for Jetstar's email alerts to be notified of sales and special offers. Consider flying on a weekday, as flights are often cheaper than on weekends. Queenstown Gardens, located on the lakefront peninsula, just a 5-minute walk from downtown Queenstown, offer a tranquil escape amidst the vibrant town. It's a delightful haven for locals and visitors alike, boasting landscaped gardens, a large pond, and diverse facilities for all ages. Lush landscapes. Stroll through meticulously maintained gardens adorned with colorful blooms, native trees, and manicured lawns. Enjoy serene walks, picnics under the shade, or simply soak in the peaceful ambiance. Queen's Garden. Explore this section dedicated to Queen Victoria, featuring charming rose gardens, a water lily pond, and a delightful aviary showcasing native birds. Anderson Park. Relax by the picturesque duck pond. Indulge in children's playground fun, or challenge yourself at the disc golf course. Skate and bowl. Lace up your skates at the ice rink during winter, October to April, or hone your bowling skills at the Lawn Bowls facility. Tennis and BMX. Challenge yourself on the tennis courts or watch BMX enthusiasts showcase their skills in the dedicated park. Exercise and leisure. Jog along the scenic tracks, practice your swing at the mini golf course, or unwind with a book under a shady tree. Lakeside promenade. Take a leisurely stroll along the lakefront path, offering breathtaking vistas of Lake Wakatipu and the majestic Remarkables mountain range. Events and festivals. Throughout the year, the gardens come alive with vibrant events like the Luma Southern Lights Festival, creating a magical atmosphere. Queenstown Gardens offer a multifaceted experience catering to relaxation, recreation, and cultural immersion. We hope that we have provided you with very important information for your trip.